Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. In this quick tutorial, I want to show you another TradingView basic thing that you need to know, and that's how you can add text to the chart. And the way to do that is by going to the options over here in the left menu. You need to go to the, the fifth option over here. If you hover with your mouse over the arrow to the right, you can see annotation tools. So make sure you click on it, and over here you can see the text option. You can also add it to the favorites toolbar if you want to by selecting the star icon. So click on the text drawing tool like this. Now you can see that it's selected. You can recognize it by that it becomes blue, and now you can add the text on the chart where you want to. So for example, if I want to add some text over here, you just click on the place where you want to add the text. You can name it how you want it. So for example, I will call this example text 1. If you click on OK, now you see it has been added. It's not exactly how I want it to be yet, but let's change some settings so it becomes more visible. So double click on it like that. Now you see the options become visible again. Over here you can set the color. So let's change it to white, for example. You can also increase the size of the text by going to this option over here. You can see now it's set to 11, but if you make it bigger, for example, set it to 16, then you see that the text becomes bigger also. You can remove the background if you want to, like this. You can remove the borders if you want to, like that. This is the text wrap. You can also delete that, so now only the text becomes visible on the chart. You can add text everywhere you want on the chart. You can also make it bold, like that. You can do it like this. So it's completely up to you. And if you want to change the position, just click on the text and drag it to another position where you want it to place on the chart. So like that. So, hope everything is clear. I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.